Hey Zartopia, how's everybody out there today? Today's going to be a video about the properties of logarithms, and there are three properties that we have discussed in class, and I want to go back over with the properties of logarithms. Sorry, I can't talk and write at the same time, so just give me a second. All right, so our properties of logarithm. The first one that we have is the product property. So I'm hoping that you all know that product is the answer to a multiplication problem. So this should give you a hint that for product property, we're going to be multiplying. Now, this can go backwards or forwards. So let's say that we have log of 5x, where the 5 and the x are multiplying by each other. This can be rewritten as the log of 5 plus the log of x. So what we did, we expanded it from the log of 5x to the log of 5 plus the log of x. Now, conversely, it can go in the other direction, and we can condense it if we're given two logarithms that have the same base and that are adding. So if I have, let's change colors here. So if I have log of 4 plus log x squared, this can be condensed to, so the addition goes to the product and becomes log of 4x squared. All right, so that's your product property. I think that's pretty straightforward. Try it on your assignments and see if it works. Next property. Sorry, I'm trying to remember how to move my page up. Let's see. There we go. All right, so our next property that we have is going to be the quotient property. Now, quotient property has to do with division. So division and subtraction go together. So if we have log of x over 5, this can be expanded to the log of x minus the log of 5. Again, we can go the opposite way, and if we have the log of 4 minus the log of x squared, this can be condensed to the log of 4 divided by x squared. You don't drop the log, they just condense into 1. And our final property that we're going to be talking about is the power property. Now, power property is talking about something being raised to a power. So if we have the log of x to the second power, where the 2 is the power, this can be expanded, or you can say simplified even, by taking that 2, and that 2 is going to jump to the front, just like a little frog. And so we'd have 2 times the log of x. And again, this can go backwards. So if we have 3 times the log of 6, we can rewrite this as the log of 6 to the third power. And there you have it. Those are your three properties that you need to know.